Which state has the highest population? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Where is the largest lake in India? A. Rajasthan, B. Odisha, C. Kerala. Correct answer is B. Odisha. In which sea is there no fish? A. Dead Sea, B. Caspian Sea, C. Red Sea. Correct answer is A. Dead Sea. In which country is gaining weight considered illegal? A. Japan, B. China, C. Singapore. Correct answer is A. Japan. Which state has the largest forest area? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Odisha. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. In which country can giving an insult lead to a 5-year prison sentence? A. Japan, B. Saudi Arabia, C. UAE. Correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Which Mughal emperor imprisoned his own father? A. Jahangir, B. Aurangzeb, C. Babur. Correct answer is B. Aurangzeb. How many liters of water can an elephant hold in its trunk? A. 5 liters, B. 8 liters, C. 10 liters. Correct answer is C. 10 liters. What is India's rank in the world for milk production? A. First, B. Second, C. Third. Correct answer is A. First. What is mixed with oil to make soap? A. Lime, B. Soda, C. Alum. Correct answer is B. Soda. Which tree helps reduce dust pollution? A. Neem, B. Peepal, C. Banyan. Correct answer is A. Neem. Women of which state are the most educated? A. Kerala, B. Maharashtra, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Which country does not have traffic signals? A. Bhutan, B. Nepal, C. Mongolia. Correct answer is A. Bhutan. How can a giraffe's age be estimated? A. By its tongue, B. By its neck, C. By its horns. Correct answer is C. By its horns. Which state in India is called the land of temples? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Odisha. Correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Where is the pink apple found? A. USA, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Kashmir. Correct answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. What is the largest source of income for railways? A. Passenger fares, B. Freight transport, C. Ticket fines. Correct answer is B. Freight transport. To which great leader is Netaji referred? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Subhas Chandra Bose, C. Bhagat Singh. Correct answer is B. Subhas Chandra Bose. Which country has the most animals? A. Australia, B. Brazil, C. India. Correct answer is C. India. Which country was the first in the world to adopt a national anthem? A. Japan, B. Netherlands, C. England. Correct answer is B. Netherlands.